These birds have been flying over, going from the west and flying east for just an incredibly long time. We're just astonished at how many there are. Josiah came outside to play and he called, "Mom, come out and look." And all these birds are here. I can't even estimate how many there have been. It's just like a river of birds. It's just, oh my goodness, the sky is full of them. This is just amazing. We can't even believe our eyes.
Yeah, let's do a hide and seek the birds when we were.
I think that's the end of it. The river of birds has stopped. That is phenomenal. I have never seen anything like that.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
There's the last few birds.
They're like, "Wait for me! I'm coming!"
What?
They're like, "Wait for me! I'm coming!"
There's one baby bird up there. Look. Small one.
Maybe they're the rear guard.
Way behind. And it's
I wonder... I wonder if they're just settling in the forest over here or if they're going on further. That is incredible.